Have you ever wanted to stamp initials into leather like a pro? Or maybe just leave your mark on things so nobody accidentally walks off with them? Well, today, I've got a brass leather stamping kit that can do just that, and it's actually pretty cool. Let's see if this thing is worth it, or just another tool collecting dust in the shop. So what do you get in the box? You get a letter track, all 26 uppercase letters, all 26 lowercase letters, numbers 0 through 9, 2 blank pieces of spacing, and then 18 special characters, as well as an Allen wrench and 2 bolts and posts. Basically everything you need to make your leather goods a little fancier without spending a fortune on custom embossing. All right, let's get to the fun part, actually using this thing. For this example, we're going to spell out pured onto leather. So first, you just unscrew the clamp pieces and find your letters. Yes, this step can feel like you're playing Scrabble with tiny brass pieces. Next, arrange them in the letter track, but remember, it's upside down, so spell it backwards unless you want the leather to say "durup" instead. Next, line it up in the center to make sure the pressure is even. Then, tighten the clamps properly, or your letters might have awkward gaps and no one wants that. And then lastly, press it into the leather using your press. Now look at how clean this comes out. There's nothing like it, honestly. The letter track keeps all the letters perfectly in line, and the letters themselves are just so crisp. Now let's go over a few things that you should definitely keep in mind before grabbing one of these. Firstly, this set comes in 3 sizes. I have the 3mm version, which is great for small projects like wallets and keychains. And if you're stamping giant duffel bags, you might want to size up. Next, it only comes with 1 of each letter. So if you're trying to stamp the word, for example, coffee, and you realize you only have 1 F as well as 1 E, well, you might have a bad time. This exact same company does sell bigger sets with multiples of each letter if you need them. Just this one specifically does not. Lastly, there's no storage box included with this set, so you'll need to come up with your own way to store these tiny brass letters, unless you enjoy spending 15 minutes hunting for an E. Overall, this is one of the most affordable ways to customize leather with stamped words or names. It even works on wood and thick paper, if you're feeling creative. It's not perfect, but for the price, it gets the job done. If you're interested, I've got an affiliate link in the description. Using it really does help support the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you're watching on TikTok, the affiliate link will be in my link tree, which is in my bio. Let me know in the comments what leatherworking tools you want to see next. If this was helpful, hit that like button. If you want more leatherworking content, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to check out my leather goods, head to puredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.